Thank you, Headmaster. Good afternoon, school. Today we celebrate the Scholars Tie Assembly, and we're going to begin with the Level 1 Scholars Tie. So these are calculated using a grade point average of the best 5 subjects, and it must include English and mathematics. So for Level 1, impressively, obviously the GPA has to be 75%, and there's 70 awards to present to the Level 1 cohort, which shows the diligence and kind of wherewithal that they showed in their academic endeavour last year. We also celebrate students naturally who attend other schools, and if they become on the honours board, there's 3 times Scholastic Centurion, so 3 or more subjects or more who gained all the standards of their curriculum in the course booklet at 100% with either NCEA or a Cambridge equivalent or obtaining scholarship. So I'd just like to start with the students who had the GPA between 75 and 79%, and I'll call on Mrs. Bradford, Mr. Hardman also, and the Headmaster to present these awards. And all Level 1 students will receive a Scholars Tie and a Level 1 academic badge. So 75 to 79% cohort, Sam Farrow. Jack Walsh. Raina Bonington. Joshua Toon. Jetta Kete. Liam Fairweather, 77%. Monique James Thomas, 77%. Asher Downing, also 77%. And we'll just congratulate them there, please. Continuing on, we have Finlay Bain, 78%. Ben Anderson, 78%. Ben's absent today. Austin Plummer, 78%. Riley Collingwood, 79%. The remainder of students are all 79%. So Sam Fletcher. Kaylin Lake. Emerson Bell. Sam Hull. Summer Williamson. Finlay Derry. Bri Roden. And the last recipient in this row is George O'Callaghan. And a large round of applause there, please. We now move to the Scholar Ties recipients between 80 and 85%. Hannah Syme. Sam Kinsale, also 80%. Emily Austin, 80%. Francesca Hickey, 81%. William Sinclair, 81%. Georgia Fisher, 81%. Gracie Potter, 81%. Peter Nelson, 81%. Vanu Leggett, 83%. Liam Hill, 83%. Jim Lynn, 83%. Just a round of applause there, please. John O'Allen, 83%. Did I go through? Maggie Harper, 83%. Mariska Pereira, 83%. Aditi Sharma, 83%. Edward Buckley, 83%. Isla Robinson, 83%. Dylan Gardner, 83%. Jacob Porteous, 83%. Finn Pryor, 84%. Lucy Foster, 84%. Fiona Sun, 84%. And Jimmy Ma, 85%. A round of applause, please. We now move to the cohort between 86 and 90%, so Hunter Scott, 86%. Sophie Dunn, 86%. Jackson Bird, 86%, and Jackson also is on the honours board with 4 times Scholastic Centurions. Jamie Kenny, 87%. Eason Cho, 87%. Eason's also on the honours board with 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Vish Methi, 88%. Jackson Norris, 88%. Isaac Albury, 88%. James Cunningham, 88%. Elisa Fenimore, 88%. Nate Bodle, 88%. Chi Fan, 88%. Lily Robinson, 89%. Will Hadley, 90%. And last but not least in this section, Thomas Yetzinger, 90%. A round of applause, please. We move to, from the 91 to 95% cohort. Trelise Forster, 91%. Trelise also received a scholarship in history. Sherry Gould, 91%. Also, she's on the honours board for 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Jessie Morris, 91%. Also on the honours board for 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Amy Steele, 92%. Isabella Egan, 92%, and on the honours board for 4 times Scholastic Centurions. Samuel Stokes, 93%. Samuel's also on the honours board for 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Anita Cho, 93%, and on the honours board for 4 times Scholastic Centurions. Jacob Shue, 93%, and on the honours board for 4 times Scholastic Centurions. Grace Walters, 93%. And Rosie Phillips, 95%. And the last 2 in this cohort are obviously achieving personal best and the high percentage between 96 and 100%. So Nika Asadi, aggregate 96%, digital innovation 100%, English 96%, IGCSE mathematics 97%, IGCSE physics 92%, and IGCSE chemistry 95%, and on the honours board with 4 times Scholastic Centurions. And Sadie Williams, the aggregate of 96%, IGCSE English 92%, history 100%, Te Reo Māori 100%, sports science 100%, and mathematics 84%, and she is also on the honours board with 4 times Scholastic Centurions. So a large round of applause for that cohort. We now move to level 2 Scholars Ties. There'll be 37 awards will be made to the 2022 Year 12 cohort. They will not receive a tie if they've received one in level 1. 75 to 79%. Emma Lobb, 75%. Josh Ford, 77%. Poppy Main, 78%. And Jane Hubbard, 79%. Moving to the 80 to 85% cohort. Ryan Higgins, 80%. Remy Groendijk, 81%. Harry Flexman, 81%. Josh Blake, 81%. Boimata Callahan Bristow, 82%. Chloe Sue, 83%. Lily Crowley, 83%. Lily also got a scholarship in painting. Noah Chen is absent today. He will receive an honours board with 3 times Scholastic Centurions. And Caitlin Walters, 85%. A round of applause there, please. Moving to from 86 to 89%, Sam Jeffress, 87%. Caitlin Lau, 87%. Sarah Yip, 88%. Isabella Etherington, 88%. Lucy O'Megan, 88%. Peter Wang, 88%. Karina Yu, 88%. Genevieve Churton, 89%. Daniel Knox, 89%. Sarah Johnstone, 89%, Sarah's absent today, and Sophie Lawrence, 89%. Another congratulations there, please. Moving from 90 to 94% now. Sean Chang, 91%. Sean also receives an honours board for 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Kerry Gore, 91%. Kerry also receives an honours board for 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Sam Ladbrokes, 91%. Maja Hassel, 94%. Alyssa Sayers, 94%. We'll just congratulate them there. Now between 95 to 98%. Jolyn Yang, 95%. Is absent today, would also be on the honours board with 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Blake Freyberg, 96%. Blake is on the honours board with 3 times Scholastic Centurions. Lawson Hart, 97%. Lawson also received a scholarship in history. Matthew Chanwai, 98%. Matthew is on the honours board with 3 times Scholastic Centurions and a scholarship in history, and we'll just congratulate them there before the final group. So once again, we are having probably the high achievers here in the cohort. So Frankie Muir, 99%. Paunse, 99%. English, 96%, physics, 100%, chemistry, 100%, and accounting, 100%. 5 times Scholastic Centurions on the honours board. Beth Clearwater, aggregate 100%. And in the following, English, biology, computer science, and physics, 100%. 5 times Scholastic Centurions and on the honours board. And Jessica Goldsmith, aggregate 100%. English level 3, 100%, calculus level 3, 100%, chemistry 100%, and physics 100%, also on the honours board with 5 times Scholastic Centurions, which rounds out our Scholars' Tie Assembly. And a large round of applause for these.